It is not. We have to create. If you want to create your passive income, you have to create leaders. Let them earn. Okay? If they not earn, they will stop. Then your income is stopped. That's why I am, this is our business. No, whatever in my mind, I apply this. No scared in this business. Why? I have money to buy more product. But this office, if have order, is very near. We can do this. See, we have. You see, ma'am, if I target 120 boxes or 120, how much they earn? Around how much? Wow. What? 120, ma'am. Ibig sabihin, 120 mix, spirulina, and shake off. You see? This is 120 means you have one manager every month. How about if you have 7 sales person? You have 7. 8,000 SB, right? 120 is 8,000 SB. Yeah. That's why I share it to Miss Susan and to Miss I share. You see how much this you can earn. But people don't like to listen. People don't like. So that is your work. That's why I want to share it to the people.